your hands and close your eyes, children. Dev Krish, come on.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, Naitik. Kidsy anthem.
You're the week, in it my pride, beautify me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside.
Yes, open up your eyes. Very good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, very good morning, children. Okay, shall we start the activity? Ready for your activities? Yes? Yes, today is position words. Okay, position words. All of you come on, fetch your table or chair and come here. Table or chair and come on. And the first position is on the chair or on the table. On. On means you have to climb up on the chair. On. No sitting. That I'll say in. At that time you can sit. On means you have to stand up on the chair. Very good. Be careful, children. Good. Ritvik, what are you doing, Ritvik? Not doing the activity, huh? On the chair. Yeah, good. Get down those who stood up. Yeah, get down. Very good, Manukshita. Now, behind the chair. Behind the chair. Behind. What is behind? Very good, Tarnika. Behind. Pranita, good. Ritvik, good. Janavi, good. Good, everyone good. Nitila, behind means you have to go back of the chair. Behind means back of the chair. Okay? And now, in front of. Stand in front of the chair. Stand in front of the chair. I said stand, not sitting. Stand in front of the chair. Okay. Now go under the chair. Under. Under. What do you mean by under, Pranita? If it is a small chair, leave it, children. Under means just if you know, that's enough. Very good, Ritvik. Come out, Ritvik. Very good, Nukshita, Pranita, Rohita. Who's this? Nitila, Janavi. Very good. Okay. Now sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Very good, everyone. Sit like that. We'll continue our attendance also. Okay. First is Darshika. Darshika. Dev Krish.
My name is Devris. I am studying in Junior KG.
Very good.
My phone is
Very good, Dev Krish. Dikshan. Dikshan. Danvin. Danvin is not absent. Farnaz. Farnaz. Okay, I saw you, Farnaz, so I am marking you. Okay, Hashini.
My name is Asani. I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am Giziga. I am 4 years old.
Okay, good. Janavi.
My name is Janvi. I am Junior KG in Giziga. Thank you.
Very good. Kartikeyan.
Yadaya Allama. My name is Karthikeyan. Studying in Junior KG. 4 years old.
Good. Kavyani. Kavyani. Okay, Naitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in Junior KG.
Okay, Nukshita.
My name is
Nukshita.
Nuchita. I'm studying Junior KG. I'm first. I'm
Very
kissing.
good, Nukshita. Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Sanita. I am studying in junior KG. I am Kizzy girl.
Okay. Rohita. Rohita.
My name is Rohita. I am Kizzy girl.
Okay. Ritvik.
Mom, my name is
Ritvik.
I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am Kizzy boy.
Very good. Nitila. Nitila.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sila. I am studying in I am a Kizzy. I am a
Very
4
good.
years old.
Satvika.
My name is Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. My name is Satika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Siddharth. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Vishank. Vishank. Absent. Vivan. Hey, what is in your mouth? You're a kidsy boy. What is in your mouth? Hmm? You say what is in your mouth. I don't want to hear it from your mom. You say what is in your mouth. Okay. Vidyut. 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 Steady.
Good morning, Apari.
Vidyut.
First. My name is Devi. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Very
I
good,
am 12 years
Steady.
old.
Vidyut, tell your attendance mark. Vidyut. What happened to Vidyut today? Again started crying, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm marking you, Vidyut. Lakshana. Lakshana. I think Farnaz joined. Farnaz.
Pannas.
Okay. Very good, Farnaz.
Atanas.
Hmm.
My name is. I am a Pannas Atma. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, very good. Okay, children, and today's rhyme is rainbow rhyme. Anyone has learned that rhyme, rainbow rhyme? Oh, look, there's a rainbow, it's so violet. Then there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next, and there's orange too. Finally, there's red, and the rainbow spread. Now, I want all of you to take a sketch pen. And you have to write Vibygyor in your finger. From here you have to write Vibygyor. Good morning, Danvin.
Good morning, Bella ma'am.
Yeah, tell me your attendance, ma.
My name is Davita. I am in junior KG at 4 years old.
Very good, Danvin. I missed you a lot, Danvin. Okay, children. Okay, come on, all of you. Take a sketch pen in your hand and you have to write Vibygyor. Ma'am is also going to write. V I B G Y O R. Oh my God. O R. I wrote it. Finished. Can you see? Vibygyor. Vibygyor. Okay. Yeah. Now come on, Farnas. Tell me what are the colors? V for
Mummy sketch lo
from V.
From V la irundhu solunga. Violet,
Mm.
indigo, blue,
Mm.
green, yellow, orange, red.
Red. Okay. V for violet. I for indigo. B for blue. G for green. Y for yellow. O for orange, and R for red. Okay, Tarnika, come on, tell me the colors.
Violet.
Now look at your
Violet.
finger and say, V for violet. Have to say like
Violet.
this, V for violet.
Green.
Tarnika, Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
V for violet. Like that you have to say.
V for violet. I
Mm.
for indigo. Blue for blue.
B for blue.
G for green.
Mm.
Y for yellow. O for orange. Red. R for red.
Very good, Tarnika. Hashini, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
V for
Look at your finger and say, you need not show me. You look at your finger and say, V for violet, I for indigo, like that.
violet. I for indigo.
Mm.
B for blue.
Mm.
G for green.
Mm.
Y for yellow.
Mm.
O for orange.
Mm.
R for red.
Very good, Hashni. Okay, next is Vivan. Vivan is going to say now. Vivan. Mm.
Purple.
Purple. V for violet.
Purple.
No, violet. P only purple.
P only purple.
V for violet.
I for?
Idea.
You know.
Idea. I for idea. What you are saying? Indigo. Okay, next.
B for?
B for G for
Yellow. Orange. Red.
red. Very good. Well done. Janavi. 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 Okay, Pranita, are you ready, Pranita? Ready, yeah? Come on, Pranita. Loudly, Pranita. Pranita. I was calling you. You didn't answer, so only I moved on to Pranita. After Pranita, you can say Janavi, okay? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Janavi.
For green.
Mm.
White for yellow.
Mm.
Orange for
O for orange.
O for orange.
Mm.
R for red.
Mm. That's it. 7 colors. So totally there are 7 colors. Okay. Next is Janavi. Come on. Say ma. You didn't write in your finger. You didn't write in your finger. You didn't write like ma'am. See, ma'am has written. You didn't write. Okay, I'll show you. You say. Janavi, ma'am is showing you. You say. I for.
Indigo.
Then B for.
Blue.
Y. Sorry. G for.
Yellow.
G. This is G. This only is Y. G.
Green for green.
Y for.
Yellow.
O for.
Orange.
R for.
Thank you.
Red. Red you didn't say. Red. Okay. Very good. Dhanvin, can you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Dhanvin.
B for?
V for violet.
I for?
Indigo.
Blue for?
Blue for
B for blue.
G for?
G for
Green.
green.
Y for?
Y for yellow.
O for?
O for orange.
R for?
Red.
Very good, Dhanvin. Next is Nightek. Very good, Dhanvin. Nightek, come on.
V for?
V for V
Look at your finger and say.
for violet. I for indigo. B for green.
Oh, B
B
for
for
green.
blue.
Ah.
G for green. Y for violet. Yellow.
Y for violet. Yellow.
O for orange. R for red.
Very good, Naitik. Okay, next is Nitila. Nitila.
Yeah. Violet.
சொல்லுங்கப்பா. I for indigo.
F for indigo.
B for G for green. Y for சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
Yes, say Nitila. Correctly say.
Yellow.
R for red finisher. Okay, next. Next it's going to be Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik.
Violet. I for indigo. B for blue. G for green. Y for yellow. O for orange. And R for red.
Very good, Ritvik. Well done. Okay, next is who else? Zadi. Yeah. Zadi next Karthikeyan, okay? Zadi.
V for violet. I for indigo. B for blue. And G for green. Y for
Then O for
orange. Red for
R for red. Red. Very good. Karthikeyan.
red.
Karthikeyan.
V for violet. I for indigo. B for blue. G for green. Y for yellow. O for orange. R for red.
Very good. Well done. Vidyut. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Violet.
Nova. Vidyut.
Still crying,
Okay. Okay, no issues. Rohita. Rohita.
Okay.
Rohita, tell me the colors, ma Rohita. Rohita.
Indigo.
B for Rohita, I'm not able to hear you, Rohita. Rohita. Yeah, Rohita's mom not able to hear what she's saying. Okay. Anyhow, she knows means it's okay, no issues. Okay, next is Satvika. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Say ma.
B for violet. I for indigo. E for blue. G for green. Y for yellow. O for orange.
R for red. Okay, next is Dev Krish. Thank you, Satvika. Dev Krish.
Start.
Violet.
Mm.
I for indigo. Blue
Mm.
for
B for blue.
B for blue. G
Mm.
for green.
Mm.
I for yellow. O
Mm.
for orange.
Mm.
R for
R
red.
for red. Very good. Nukshita. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the colors.
E for
Mm. Violet. Mm. Rohita, mute yourself, ma, Rohita. Mm.
B for
Mm.
B for
B for blue. Mm. G for mm.
green.
Mm. Y for
I for
mm.
yellow.
Yellow.
For
Mm.
orange.
Orange. Next.
R for
Mm. Red. Very good. Okay, children. We all learnt about rainbow. Well done. Everyone had said the color's name exactly and correctly. And today we are going to learn a new concept. And the concept name is national symbols. Okay. So I want you to ask a question. What is the name of our country? What is the name of our country, children?
India.
Anyone knows? Yeah. What is the name of our country? India. Very good. Name of our country is India. Okay. And where we are living? Some of you live in Chennai, some of you live in hometown. Okay. And what is the state we live in? What is the name of our state? Yeah, name of our state is Tamil Nadu. This is our India, you can see, okay? And our state is here. Tamil Nadu. Here you can see, okay? And the name of our state is Tamil Nadu, okay? And there are different types of people, different religious type of people. Not only Tamil speaking people live here, all language people also live in our country, okay? And today we are going to see the national symbols of India. So this is our national flag. 1 minute. One minute, children. Okay. This is our national flag. Can you see, children? Yes, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
No,
Now not visible.
not visible. 1 minute.
Ma'am?
Ma'am?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
I don't know why I'm not able to present my screen today. Okay, children, by the time be ready with your worksheet. Okay, it is D116CT. Okay, write the date and your name and be ready. I'll join. Okay. Yeah, take your worksheet, write the date and your name. Today's date is 12/1/2021.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 116 CT.
116CT. You'll have a flag picture there. Take 3 colors with your children. Orange, white you need not color, dark blue and green. Okay? Unexpectedly I was not able to share the screen, children. Okay? So we'll start coloring the worksheet. Okay? Come on. Finish writing your date and name. Okay, first you are going to give orange color on top. Okay? Color orange on top. We have spoke about our national flag many times. Children, you all know the colors. The tricolor flag. So start coloring. Try to share my screen. Color neatly, children. Ashoka Chakra, you are going to give it in navy blue color. Finish. Very good, Harshni. Yeah, very good.
Mama.
Yeah, good, ma. Very good, Farnaz. Very good, Tarnika. So like this, you will be coloring.
I don't have orange coloring.
What, ma?
Mama, I don't have orange.
You can draw in your rough notebook and also you can color it. No issues. Finish coloring, everyone. And now you have saw our national flag, right? And our national animal of India is tiger. I want everyone to look at the screen. Somehow I have shared my screen. Okay, look at the screen, everyone. Yeah, very good, ma. Well done. Good. Finished, everyone. Okay, look at the screen, everyone. Good. National animal of India is... What animal is this, children? Come on, answer me. Wild animal. What animal is it? It's a tiger. Okay, national animal of India is tiger. And what is our national bird?
Bird of
What is our national peacock? Very good. You can see the peacock dancing, right? Peacock is our national bird. Okay, and then what is our national fruit? What is our national fruit? Mango. Okay, our national fruit is mango. And what is our national flower? Lotus. Okay, lotus is our national flower. Okay, and what is our national tree? Banyan tree. Okay, banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. And then which is our national sport? Anyone knows? Which is our national sport, children? Hockey. Very good. Our national sport is hockey. Or very good. And then, and our currency is in rupees and coins. You can see 5 rupee, 50 rupee, 500 rupee and all. And then down also you have all those coins here. Okay. And this is our national emblem. Okay, this is our national emblem. It has 4 lions in it. You can see only three lions here and 1 lion is at the back hiding. Okay, so these are the national symbols of India. Okay, one more time we'll have a small recap of it. Okay, this is our national flag. National animal of India is tiger. National bird is peacock. National fruit is mango. National flower is lotus. National tree is banyan tree. National sport is hockey. And rupees are the currency we use. And this is our national emblem. Okay, so all these related worksheets only. Hereafter we'll be doing it. And another worksheet I want you to take. It's worksheet number D116PH. D116PH, phonic. Everyone is having this worksheet. Please let me know.
Mom, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. No one who is saying no.
No, ma'am.
Mom, I think.
Vidya didn't have.
Okay, what type of worksheet do you have?
Ma'am, worksheet number, ma'am.
116PH.
Ma'am, we don't have this phonic worksheet.
Instead of that, you don't have any worksheet?
Ma'am, this is the one we have, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. Same.
read aloud the pictures. Hear the sound of air.
Ava.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, a sound picture is there. Okay, you do it afterwards. We'll do it here. Everyone look at the screen. I want you to take your English notebook and do it. Come on. Those who don't have this worksheet, please take your English notebook. Write today's date. And you are going to write the words which I am writing here. Okay? Look at the screen and write it in your rough notebook, children.
Ma'am, Jani is not writing, ma'am.
Janavi. Janavi, when you write only, your handwriting will improve, Janavi. See, in your maths homework also I saw. Okay, before and all, you were writing very neatly. First, listen, Janavi. First and all, your handwriting was nice, but now you are lacking your handwriting. Okay, so start writing. It will give you a beautiful handwriting. Okay, good girl. Come on, start writing. I will not listen to your mama. Okay, come on, start writing. Then when you go to senior KG, how will you write? At that time, it will be very difficult for you, no? Then everyone will scold me only. See this Vanilla ma'am? She didn't even teach Janvi how to write. Like that, they will tell me only. You want to give that bad name for Vanilla ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Come on, write. Good girl, Janvi. I love you, Janvi. Come on, write. Write these words. And here you are going to, those are writing in your notebook, you have to circle the middle sound. Those are writing in your notebook only, you have to circle the middle sound. Others, those who are having the worksheet, you are going to match the middle sound. Okay? Find out which is the starting sound, which is the ending sound, which comes between the starting and the ending sound is the middle sound. Middle means nadula irukkiradhu, in between two letters, that is the middle letter. Okay? Find out and circle those who are writing in your notebook. Those who are doing in your worksheet, you have to match it. Parnas, tell me which is the middle letter here, middle sound here.
You.
U. So you are going to match U. Very good. Okay, next. Who else is having worksheet? Tarnika, are you having this worksheet?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Nitila,
Ma'am.
you are having a?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me which is the middle sound. Middle. A. Okay. So you are going to match A. Here.
Okay.
Vidyut, are you having this worksheet, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then also it's okay. Come on, tell me what is the middle sound here. Mat. Ma at mat. What will you match here, Satvika? Ma at mat.
Sorry.
Middle letter.
What will you match here?
Middle letter now. In the middle letter.
Very good. A. So A is here. Very good. Okay, next is fox. Hashini. Which is the middle sound here, Hashini?
If.
Huh? Middle. Not the starting sound. Middle.
Oh.
Oh, very good. Oh. Children, I think you all are having a few confusion in this. Okay, we'll sort it out. Next is pig. Nightek, tell me which is the middle sound.
Pig. Middle sound. Middle.
Which is the middle sound? I. Very good. Okay, now children, close your worksheets. Now I want you to bring 3 color crayons. One is blue, other one is yellow and red. Okay, come on, bring 3 crayons. Keep it in front of you. Arrange it in front of you. First, you are going to keep the blue color. Okay? And next, you are going to keep the yellow color. And last, you are going to keep the red color. Ready? Ready with your crayons or sketch pens, color pencils, whatever you have, arrange it. Blue, yellow, red. It must be in that pattern. No ulta pattern and all. Blue, yellow, red. Very good, Harshini. I want you to focus the camera and the crayons or whatever you are using on that. I wanted to see how they are picking it up. Arrange it on the table, Dev Krish. Don't play with it. Vivan's mom, it should be in a line like this, not in a portrait way. Keep it in a landscape way.
And what should we do, ma'am?
3 crayons or color pencils, sketch pens, blue, yellow and red.
Okay, ma'am.
Blue, yellow and red. Dev Krish. Arrange it properly, Dev Krish. Blue, yellow, red. Yeah, correct. Don't keep it closer, little bit in a distance you have to keep it. Okay. Now, in order, everything is in order, everyone. Dhanvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Start. Shall we start, children? Okay. Now, which is the starting color? Pick up the starting color. I want to see everyone. No, wrong. I saw someone, it's Pranita or Janu, I don't know. Those who picked up the red color, it is wrong. First one, what did I tell you? Blue. Everyone, those who picked up the blue color, it's right. Dev Krish, are you waiting for me? Why don't you pick it up correctly? First, starting is blue. And now take the ending color. What is the ending color? End. Ending na mudira color, which is ending. Yeah, very good, Harshini. Very good, Zedi. Very good, Zedi. Very good, Naitek. Very good, Dhanvin. Good. Now keep it as it is. Again, you keep it like that itself. Don't take it apart. Keep it like that. Now you pick up the middle color. Middle. Middle means the color which is in between the two colors. Blue kum red kum nadula irukra color da middle color. Yeah, pick up the middle color.
Yellow.
Yeah, very good. Very good, children. Well done. Okay, now rearrange the colors. This time the pattern is going to be red, blue and yellow. This time the pattern is red, blue and yellow. Starting is red, middle is blue and the ending color is yellow. Right? Yeah. Now all of you pick the starting color. Which is the starting color? Which color we started first? Yes, very good, Zeddy. Good. Very good, everyone. Now see, you are able to identify easily, right? Now pick up the ending color. Ending color, what color we kept at the end? Very good, Harshni. Good, Dhanvin. Ending color. Okay. Now pick up the middle color. Middle. Very good. Well done. Well done with your... Good. Okay, well done. Now shall we change the pattern again? Now the pattern is yellow, red and blue. Yellow, red and blue. First is yellow, second is red and last is blue. Very good, Farnas. Arranging on her own. Good. Red, yellow and blue. Sorry, red. Oh, I forgot. Yellow, red and blue. Yellow, red and blue. Okay, now pick up the starting color. Farnas, that is not the way you should arrange, Farnas. Farnas' mom. Should not be like that. Should be like this. 1, 2, 3. From left to right.
Okay.
Should be from left to right, children. Everything should be from left to right. Nobody should
Okay,
arrange
ma'am.
in 1, 2, 3 order. Should be like how we write the alphabet, left to right. Now pick up the first color. Very good, Dev Krish. Good, Tarnika. Good, Hashni. Very good, Satvika. Zeddy. Danvin. Good. Now pick up the middle color. Middle. Very good, Hashni. Middle. Dev Krish. Wrong. Middle. Middle color. Very good, Nitila. Good. Now pick up the ending color. Ending color. Ending color. Yeah, very good. Good, children. Now you all know which is starting, which is middle, and which is ending. Okay? Like this only in the sounds also you have to find out which is the starting sound, which is the middle sound, and which is the ending sound. Now ma'am is going to show you some words. I am going to write some words and you are going to tell me which is the starting and ending sound. Okay? Ready, children? First, it's going to be Danvin. Finish it fast, children, okay? Okay, now tell me, which is the starting sound, middle sound, and ending sound? Danvin. Ah.
Middle.
Ending? Very good, Danvin. Next is Dev Krish.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
which is the starting sound? Which is the ending sound? Which is sound, duh, you should say. And which is the middle sound? Middle sound? Eggs in the pan. Okay. Farnaz. Farnaz. Ready? Okay. Now, which is the ending sound, Farnaz? Ending sound. Huh?
Ending sound.
End. Very good. Which is the starting sound?
Starting sound. First sound. Starting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sound.
Now, middle sound?
Middle sound.
N. Okay. Very good, Farnaz. Next is Janavi. Janavi. Come on, Janavi. Which is the starting sound? Sound means you have to say the sound. B. Which is the ending sound? Sound. Which is the middle sound?
You.
Umbrella. U. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next is, well, night. Sorry, Hashini. Hashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Hashini, come on. What shall we give? Come on. Find out the starting sound. Ending sound.
Ending sound. Ending sound.
Middle sound.
Middle sound.
Very good. Next is Jahnavi over, Hashni over. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Okay. Pranita, very good, Pranita. Karthikeyan, are you there? Okay, Naitek. Next is Naitek. Naitek.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the starting sound?
Sound.
Ending sound? Ending. End. Which is the middle sound? Very good, Naitek. Okay. Next, it's going to be Nukshita. Nukshita,
Yes, ma'am.
come on. Tell me the starting sound. Very good. Which is the ending sound? Very good. Which is the middle sound? Very good. Next is Pranita. 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 Pranita is not there. Okay. Rohita. Rohita. Ritvik. Ritvik. Who is answering, ma? Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Starting sound. Starting sound what, ma? B. Ending? T. Okay. Middle sound? Okay. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Tell me the starting sound.
H.
Okay. Ending sound?
Ending sound.
Ending sound.
Very good. Middle sound? Very good, Satvika. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Tell me the starting sound. Huh? Very good. Ending?
Ending.
Middle? Very good. Vidyut? 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 Vidyut is not there.
He went to restroom, ma'am.
Okay, Vivan? Vivan? Starting sound? Starting sound? Starting. No. What is it? Starting. Next, ending.
Ending sound.
Middle sound.
Middle sound.
Very good. Zedi. Zedi.
Yes,
Find
ma'am.
out the starting sound.
Starting sound B.
Very good. B. Ending sound.
Ending sound. Ending sound. A.
Oh, ending sound is A.
Ending sound.
अंत में क्या साउंड है माँ वो बताओ.
This is
G. G. Okay. And then middle sound.
Middle sound.
middle sound. Middle sound. Middle
What is left
sound.
out then?
A.
A. Very good. Okay. Thank you so much, children. I think you are now clear about your middle sound, starting sound, and ending sound. So far, thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Okay. Tomorrow. Okay. Bye, everyone. Satvika, stay, ma. Satvika, Tarnika.
Okay, ma'am.
Satvika, she has prepared for dance.
No, ma'am. Actually, I was not feeling well, so I was not able to teach her.
Okay, any